Tell us about the movie you just watched.
Movie.
Huh?
Movie.
You don't like the movie you watched? A pony movie?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So is there anything else you want to add to that?
Pony.
Does it?
Yeah. That's it. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause that's it.
No, tell us more.
I like pony and
Okay. Audrey, what do you think about it?
Dada.
Huh?
Dada.
Okay. Darla, go turn the light on so we can see you.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. It's the camera, huh?
That's pony.
Okay. So, what do you think about the Care Bears movie, the new Care Bears movie?
Care Bears movie.
Yeah.
Care Bears movie.
You like it?
Yeah.
What about the Magic School Bus?
Movie.
Is that a good one?
Yeah.
So, in your short little 3 years of life, what is the most memorable moment so far?
Bats.
Bats?
Yeah.
Baseball bats or the flying rats bats?
Blue bats.
What kind?
Blue bats.
Moving bats?
Yeah.
Oh, and what makes them so interesting to you?
Pony movie.
The pony movie
Yeah.
makes them interesting to you.
Yeah.
Okay. So, I noticed that your name is Darla. Where did you pick that name up at?
Mama.
Your mom?
Yeah.
Huh. What inspired her to name you that?
Pick me up. Jojo.
She picked you up at JoJo's?
Yeah.
And she just already had that name waiting for you?
Yeah.
Just simple as that.
ABG.
ABC?
Yeah.
Or ABG?
ABG.
Oh, okay. What is your favorite kind of food? What do you like to eat?
Chuck.
Huh?
Chuck.
Chuck.
That's up.
Sup?
That's up.
Sugar?
That's up.
That's your favorite food?
Yeah.
Can you repeat that again? I didn't get it.
Yeah. Amy.
What do you like to eat? You like hamburgers, fries? What do you want to eat?
Why?
Huh? Are you speaking a different language?
Cause she.
Oh no, you're gonna see it. I'm gonna put you on YouTube, and then you can see it. I'm gonna put you on the TV.
A B.
Huh?
B.
Give the camera a kiss. No. Go. Mwah. All right. So give Dad a high five. I mean a low five and a high five. High five?
No.
Bump the rock?
Yeah.
All right. So is that your Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Did you help Mom put it together?
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
Chuck.
Is it fine? It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.
Wave bye.
Bye.
Bye.